How to send data from n8n to API. To do that, first, let's start the workflow by adding in your trigger node. It can be a schedule trigger, a webhook, or a specific apps trigger node. So let's head over and click on this. Let's choose right here this on schedule. And then I'll choose in one day, every night around midnight. So let's head over and exit this, and we have now our trigger. After that, click on this plus icon, and we need to prepare the data if necessary. Need to head over and add right here the HTTP node. So here we have the HTTP request. Click on this, and we need to configure it. For the method, select the appropriate HTTP method for sending data. Usually it's post or put. Now from in there, enter the API endpoint URL from this. Just input right here what you want. And you can also choose right there the headers if that's applicable. And also for the body, you can also enable this right here. For the authentication, you can require it or you cannot require it according to your liking. So once you have inputted the actual URL right here, you can head back and then try to execute your actual workflow if it works. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.